Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. I've actually been in the market for a new camera that I can record and stream with, and I think I've found the perfect kind of thing for my art channel, or an art channel in general. I've been looking for something that is super easy to set up and pack away and move between different locations, because at the moment I have been moving through different locations while also still needing to record videos. And I came across this super cool thing. Now this is actually a document camera, and it is made by the company called Ipevo. This is a Do-Cam, as they call it. And Ipevo have actually been super cool. I recently contacted them because honestly, I want to get a new camera. And I just shot them in an email just to see if they would send me one to review on the channel, and they actually did. So that's super cool that they're happy to support a small YouTube channel like myself. Now here is the unboxing of the Ipevo Do-Cam, and honestly I think this thing is super cool. It's a camera and a stand in one, and it's quite small and folds really flat, but it can get some pretty nice footage. Now the footage you can see currently on the screen here is from the Ipevo Do-Cam. Now this is a USB camera, so you will have to connect it up to a laptop or a computer or something like that. But here's the footage, and just ignore my nails at the moment. They're not the prettiest, but this footage doesn't look too bad actually. This is without changing any settings or anything like that, and overall the footage does look nice and clear as well. And I'm pretty excited to test this out a bit further. So at the moment I'm just doing a little bit of a camera test here. Here is a recent artwork that I have made, and I'm just testing out how well and nice it looks, as well as just fiddling with some camera settings here to see what I can do to change the look. One thing I noticed is there's actually this little button on the side of the camera, and that's to rotate the footage, which is really cool because I can basically get a side angle very easily from this just by moving the camera to the side and pushing that button, so it rotates it and it looks pretty good. Here's my sketchbook with some art in it just to do a bit of a test. Now let's have a look at the software that you can get for this camera. This software is the Ipevo Visualizer. This is just a free software that you can download that you can use with this camera. You can also use other software if you like, but I thought I would test this out. And here is some basic controls that you can use. There's a rotate, which is kind of funky to look at. There's also a zoom. There is the resolution settings here. As you can see, you can have different resolutions, and you can actually change things like exposure, white balance, anything like that. So that software is pretty good to use. One thing I noticed as well is that you can turn off the autofocus, so you can make it manual focus, as you can see me doing right now. And I actually really appreciate that, because some webcams you can't turn off the autofocus, and it's so annoying because a lot of the time I'll be making art and then it'll refocus, and that'll look funky in the speed paint. This software also has a bunch of different filters. I'm not sure what I would use this for honestly, but it's pretty cool that they include that if you want that. But I'm not going to use that myself because it's not really useful for an art video, I don't think. And of course you can add grid lines. As you can see here, I really like using the 3x3 because that just helps me to line up my shots. One thing I noticed is here in the settings, you can actually pick, recording, time-lapse, etc. And you can actually change the quality. And I changed that to excellent as well because I want it to look the nicest as I can get it. And I noticed with this software, you can actually log into your YouTube to live stream directly from the software. So that's interesting. So with that out the way, let's test out the time-lapse function and also the recording function of this software, because that's why I got this camera, so I can film art and stuff. And overall the footage does look pretty nice. I'm gonna have to definitely practice with changing the video settings because it was kind of a little bit difficult for me because I was trying to make the white balance good, and then I kind of made it look worse, but that was definitely my fault. But yeah, anyways, for the art, because that's why you guys subscribe to me for art, I'm actually doing a little bit of a painting of a dog here. Now I am using a mix of acrylic paint and Posca pens, and I actually got my paintbrush out to paint with the Posca pens as well, because I wanted to, you know, experiment with a little bit of texture there. And I'm trying to make a bit of a painting of a corgi here because that is my favorite breed of dog, but I kind of didn't get the proportions exactly right. So it kind of looks like a corgi, kind of not. So, you know, I guess you can, you know, choose if you think it's a corgi or not. The eye of the beholder. But yeah, I wanted to paint him holding a little bunch of flowers because I just thought that that would be very, very cute. And I decided on purple because I felt like it would look really nice with the orange and the green on this page. And overall, I think this artwork is quite cute. It's quite simple, but this was just mainly a test for me. And I really like this camera. I think it's useful and I can't wait to try it out with some other things. I'm very interested with doing a live stream. I definitely want to try and get into that. It's been on my to-do list for so long now, and I feel like with this webcam I am closer to doing that, so that gets me pretty excited. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a bit of a fun test out with this new camera. Now, if you want to get one of these cameras yourself, I'll leave links in the description for that. And thank you to Ipevo as well for sending me one. I'm very, very happy that they agreed to do that because it helps me out so much. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I shall see you in my next video, which shall be soon. Bye, everyone.